Much love. I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. I should definitely be asleep right now, but I'm going to share a word. This word is very important, especially for those who are in this state of mind for themselves. I'm going to come from Romans chapter 2, verse 5, and it reads, "But you are so stubborn. You refuse to change. So you are making your own punishment greater and greater. You will be punished on the day when God will show his anger. On that day, everyone will see how right God is to judge people." See, when you carry that stubbornness and you just won't let things go, you think it's so much about you. You all into yourself. And what God is calling you to do is to let go and allow him to handle whatever you're dealing with. We get so caught up in ourselves. And when we get caught up in ourselves, we are not allowing ourselves to be obedient to God. We think we are more important than he is. We think that what we're dealing with and going through is more important. And especially if we're being stubborn to someone else, because they probably don't even realize that you are stubborn about whatever situation it is. You need to let it go and let God get you back in alignment with him. Let this thing go. Being stubborn does nothing for you. It actually takes you more and more away from God. This says by being stubborn, you refuse to change.
Well, if you refuse to change your personality,
You want to just stay into that. So what you are doing is, since you don't want to change and you want to stay into it, you are making your own punishment greater and greater. It's only going to get worse.
But it's going to get worse.
So keep that anger and then deal with what God will bring on you. You need to change. Let that stubborn heart go. It can't do anything for you. Not only that, when the time comes, people are going to understand why God punished you for it. Take care. God bless. Once again, much love. And lose that stubborn heart, because it does nothing for you.